Hello students of class 2nd B, welcome to your new online classes. This is your maths class and today we will do math gym. So the first question is fill in plus or minus. In this question you have to fill either plus or minus. First we will add them. If it is an addition then we will put the sign of plus there. If it is subtraction then we will put the sign of minus. A part 6 fill in the blank 5 equals to 11. First we will count 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we will count 5 1 2 3 4 5. Then we will add them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So the answer is correct. So the plus sign will come here. So in the second part, the sum of two numbers which is 6 and 5, the sum is 11, subtracts the number 5, then the other number is the answer. Then always the sign of minus will come here, because sum minus one number equals to other number. This is the formula which is written here. Sum minus one number equals to other number. So according to this, the sign of minus will come here, and same the sign of minus will come here also. In the same manner, B, C and D will be your homework. Write in your maths copy and solve the answer. Question number 2, fill in. In this question, we will solve the answer as it is given in the question. If it is an addition, we will add them. If it is a subtraction, we will minus them. A part 5 plus 2, it is a simple addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 2, 1, 2. How many? 7. Question number 2, 7 minus 2, which means subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will cancel out 2. Then how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 is the answer. In the C part is the same, subtraction. In D part, 2 plus fill in the blank equals to 7, which means how many we will add to 2. So the answer will be 7. So how we will do it? We have to subtract 2 from 7, then we will get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we will cancel out 2 here. How much is the answer? 5. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7. In the same manner, the G part, fill in the blanks, minus 4 equals to 3. It means from which number we will subtract 4 so that the answer will be 3. So it would be a larger number. Now we will add them both. We will get the number 3 plus 4, 7. So the answer is 7. In the same manner, all the questions you will do by yourself in your maths copy. Solve it. If it is an addition, add them. If it is a subtraction, subtract them. Let us move towards our next topic, which is addition. How we will add two numbers? Look here. 52 plus 34. They both are two-digit numbers. This is tens, this is ones. And here it is tens and here it is ones. First we will add the ones of both the number. 2 plus 4. How many? 6. So we will write it on ones place. Then we will add the tens of both the number, which means 5 and 3. How many? 8. So 8 will be written on the tens place here. 86. So 86 is the answer. So question number 1 here, add. First we will add the ones, then we will add the tens. 2 plus 7, 9 and 2 will come here like this. In the B part, 0 plus 6, 6 and 4 will come here. In the F part, 5 plus 3, how many? 8 and 1 plus 1, 2. In the same manner, you will do all the questions here, given here. Write in your copy and solve them. Question number 2, addition. A part, 12 plus 25. They both are two-digit numbers. So I have explained before also. First we will add the ones of both the numbers, that is 2 and 5 here. So how many? 7. So 7 will be written on the ones place. Then we will add the tens of both the number, which is 1 and 2. So how many? 3. So 3 will be written on the tens place. So what is the answer? 37. Same in E part. 3 and 4, 7. Again 3 and 4, 7. Then 77 is the answer. In I part, first 2 and 4. How many? 6. Then 6 and 2. How many? 8. So what is the answer? 86. These questions which are left here, you will do by yourself in your maths copy. Our next topic is word sums. First let me read, then I will make you explain. A bus started with 32 children. A bus is having 32 children. Later 27 children got in. Later 27 children more got in the bus. How many children were there in the bus altogether? So now we have to tell how many total children are now there in the bus. So what we have to do? We have to add them. So 32 will be written here. Then 27 we will write here. Then we will add them. 2 plus 7, 9. And 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer? How many children? 59 children is the answer. In the same manner we will do the second question here. Rohan has 24 crayons. So Rohan is having 24 crayons. We will write it here, 24. His sister Meena has 24 crayons. Meena is also having 24 crayons. Underline it. How many crayons do they have in all? So both of them have how many crayons in total? So Meena is having 24 more. We will write it here. Now we will add them. So 4 and 4, 8, and 2 and 2, 4. So how many crayons? 48 crayons. So this is the answer. Number 3. 20 birds live in a garden. In winter 33 birds come in. In winter 33 more birds come in. So we'll write it here first. 20 birds were there in the garden already and 33 birds come in winter. How many birds does the garden have in winter? So we have to tell the total number of birds which are there in the garden at present. So we will add them now. 0 and 3, 3, 2 and 3, 5. So what is the answer? 53 birds. Question number 4. Tanvi has 2 packets of toffee. Tanvi is having 2 packets of toffee. One packet has 45 toffees. One packet is having 45 toffees. Let me write first. Other packet has 44. Other packet is having 44 toffees. We'll write it here now. How many toffees does she have all together? So what is the total number of toffees in both the packets? We will now add them. 5 and 4, 9. 4 and 4, 8. So what is the answer? 89 toffees. The remaining questions 5, 6 and 7 will be your homework. Write in your copy. Write the questions. Then solve them and write their answers.